Hi, I'm Larissa. I studied business here at Trent, and I did a specialization in marketing and consumer culture. So a couple of the reasons why I chose Trent was not only because I was born and raised here in Peterborough, but also because I know that it's a very high-ranked business school, and I wanted the opportunity to network with not only my peers, but my professors, which I know Trent would be able to allow me to do. Trent has definitely allowed me to complete and contribute to some of my personal and academic goals, not only by doing the field placement that I was able to participate in, which allowed me to get full-time employment after graduation, but also the clubs and groups that I was able to join as well. Not only reassured what I learned in class, but also boosted my resume for life after graduation. I did 2 placements, both in my 4th year. The first one was for the city of Peterborough, working with the election team. This was a great opportunity to get hands-on experience, not only in business, but also a little bit of political studies as well. And then in the winter semester, I completed it at Ontario Parks with partnerships in philanthropy. Not only did it reinforce what I learned at school, but it also just allowed me to build confidence in myself as well, which is what I needed as I was about to graduate and enter the workforce. So I finished my placement at Ontario Parks, and then I was able to be brought on as a summer student right after, which was really nice. So as I was there, I was networking. I knew that it created great opportunities right after, so I was able to create those connections right then, and which gained me an opportunity to work on the same marketing team, but now on the merchandising team instead of partnerships. It was great to just know that I was comfortable in the environment already that was created by the placement program.